Here we are with young Charlie. Charlie, introduce him yet, call him name Lina, by you answer him triple question. Suppose you kiss him right, I'm like you 20 kina.
Name me Charlie. Me bro Central Mekeona.
You make a grade one name.
4.
You can think him one name here, Papua New Guinea been kissing independence on what?
1975.
Who's the first Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea?
Michael Somare.
Okay, Charlie. Who's the now current Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea?
James Marape.
Okay, congratulations, Charlie. Congratulations, Charlie.
Thank you.
My name is Ariel and I'm from Bougainville Central Province.
One name Iana date Papua New Guinea been kissing independence.
1975. September 16.
Who was the first Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea?
Michael Somare.
One name capital city of Morobe province. Oh, friend, here I'm out the competition. Blow 20 kina giveaway back to school quiz. Thank you, Arel. Okay, now la friend begin. Okay, Frida, who's the first Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea?
Michael Somare.
One name capital city of Papua New Guinea. Who's the current Prime Minister of Papua New Guinea? And this is the first winner for the back to school 20 kina free giveaway. Congratulations, Frida. Okay. Thank you.
My name is Franco and I'm from Gulf Province and Central. Mr. School of Coronation. Make it grade 7.
One name capital city of Papua New Guinea.
Port Moresby.
Who's the current Prime Minister of PNG?
James Marape.
Who's the designing flag of Papua New Guinea?
Susan Kari. Susan Karike.
And congratulations. And walk away on them 20 kina for answering 3 back to school quiz question with me.
My name is Paul and I am from Sipik and Oro. I school at Coronation Primary School and I'm grade 7.
One name capital city of Western Islands province.
Hagentau,
Who's the current governor of Oro province?
Gary Jufa,
Port Moresby is inside one name province or commission in Papua New Guinea.
NCDC,
Okay, it's NCDC, National Capital District.
it's NCDC, National Capital District of Papua New Guinea.
Okay, thank you, Paul. Congratulations, you just won a 20 kina.
Thank you so much.
My name is Naru Simon. I'm from Chimbu. I'm doing currently grade 12 at Gordon Secondary. I'm taking mini science.
How many provinces are there in the country?
22 provinces.
How many regions are there in the country, and could you name the regions as well?
We have 4 regions: Momasa region, Islands region, Momasa Islands, and New Guinea Islands, and Southern region. Sorry.
We are now here in Port Moresby, the National Capital District. So which of the 4 regions does NCD and Central Provinces come under?
NCD and Central Province. Southern?
And she just got it correct. Congratulations.